Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Craig Candelore, and I'm a California certified family law specialist practicing family law since 1986. Working through family law issues is complicated and stressful, especially when you're going through divorce. Trying to figure out the family law system is overwhelming. That is why I've decided to make these videos to help people like you learn everything you need to know to have a better outcome. Our educational videos include topics from every area of family law, spanning from the psychological aspects of divorce, financial support, and specific topics like who gets the engagement ring. My experience as a retired colonel also gives me special insight into military issues related to military divorce, often overlooked by others. So let me walk you through the family law process along with my avatar to equip you with the tools you will need to push through these difficult times. Here at Untying the Knot, we believe that the more you know, the more control you have over your life.